Hello friends, today in this video we will tell you about how to make vlog for YouTube channel. So let's start. Making a travel vlog for YouTube can be a fun and rewarding experience. Here are some steps to get you started. 1. Plan your trip. Decide on your travel destination, itinerary, and activities. Make a list of places you want to visit and things you want to do. 2. Choose your equipment. You will need a camera, tripod, and microphone to record your footage. You can also consider investing in a drone for aerial shots. Choose equipment that is lightweight and easy to carry. 3. Capture your footage. Record your travel experiences as you go. Make sure to capture different angles and perspectives. Also, don't forget to record audio and take photos of the places you visit. 4. Edit your footage. Once you return home, review your footage and select the best clips to use in your vlog. Use a video editing software to cut and arrange your footage, add music, sound effects, and transitions. 5. Add a personal touch. Share your experiences and thoughts in your vlog. Be authentic and let your personality shine through. Consider adding voiceovers or text overlays to add context and depth to your video. 6. Title and publish your vlog. Choose a catchy and descriptive title for your vlog. Add relevant tags and descriptions to make it easier for viewer to find your video. Upload your vlog to YouTube and share it on social media platforms to reach a wider audience. 7. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and questions from your viewer. Encourage them to subscribe and share your videos. Use analytics tools to track your performance and improve your content. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the experience of creating your travel vlog. Good luck.